Hola, buenos días. Tuesday morning, 9:30. I'm flying to London. It's going down. This terminal is fucking busy. There's way too many people here. Where's everyone going? That's a line and a half. Woo-hoo. 30 minutes later, bag is checked. Fingers crossed it will make its way to London. Let's see what this airport has to offer. Was the fastest security check I've ever had. For some reason I have to get a passport control now, but okay, cool. This is where I'm going, but there are way too many people waiting. I don't want to wait, so I will be the last one to board the plane. Goodbye South America, I'll see you around. The 13 more hours, I'm excited. I thought you need to pay for movies, but they have this. I'm gonna watch this movie first. Discount Airlines. Oh, they have champagne. Nice. Thanks, but no thanks. I have water.
One eternity later.
13 hours later, made it to London. I just realized it's 4 AM. I think it's gonna be a long day. Fucking lazy peasants. Oh, there's one guy taking the stairs. Always the stairs and never the escalators. London Gatwick, you smell like a hospital. Papa's taking the shortcut, as always. Why walk all the way around here? If you can just take the stairs, you lazy motherfuckers. Thank God the passport control is empty. Excuse me. Thank you, sir. Even if I had to declare something for customs, I couldn't. There's no one working. 5:41. That's in exactly 1 hour. So I have an hour to kill. I need coffee.
Alright! Come on!
I've been wondering for the past half hour, how do I know this terminal? And I realized I've been here like 6 years ago. I did a language exchange for 2 weeks down in Cornwall. And I think we flew from here, but I forgot that. But somehow I know this place. Train's empty. It's 5:30. I'm getting tired. But we're going now. Woohoo!
Alright!
6:22, next stop towards Waterloo. 12 minutes. I'm exhausted. I just wanna go to bed, relax. I found a couch to crash on through couch surfing. It's my first time trying it out, so London rush hour in a nutshell. Wow. Oh, River Thames. It's been almost 3 years since I've been here. Hello, London. As expected, you're fucking cold and cloudy.